Students, welcome to Tridivesh Educare, and today in this we will analyze the course reduction or the syllabus reduction or reduced syllabus given by ICC for the year 2021-22. So in my last videos that you must have gone through the last videos, and you must have got a concrete idea about that the reduced syllabus in physics. Today we will discuss about that. In this video that we will discuss about or will analyze the syllabus which is given, the reduced syllabus given by ICC for the year 2021-22. In this video that we will discuss about, we will analyze the reduction given by ICC for class 9 chemistry. So as you know that before some years that chemistry was indeed a very difficult subject, and it was also a sort of mysterious subject for the students like you. But however, last 3-4 years that how much I have seen, I have found that the questions, not only the question or also the syllabus was friendly. It is friendly, means students friendly. And this year, because of that corona, COVID-19 effect, ICC has given some sort of reduction in almost all the subjects. So here we will analyze that in case of that chemistry, how much reduction that you have got, and on the basis of that you will prepare, and hopefully that ICC board may give you some more reductions in this, and it may extend up to 40 to 50% as per the ICC board meeting. So now come to that chemistry class 9. Chapter 1, the language of chemistry. Nothing is cut off from the syllabus, and all these are there as usual. Previously, as usual, having that symbols and symbols of element, valency, formula of radicals and formula of compounds, all these are as usual. There is no change. So, and it should not be changed also. According to me, it should not be changed, because this is what a sort of fundamental thing, or it is a sort of foundation for you so far as chemistry is concerned. Now come to the second chapter, that is your chemical changes and reaction, chapter number 2. Here also you are not getting any sorts of benefit or reduction from that ICC syllabus. From that reduction point of view, here also you are not getting, and also you should not get here. It is a very perfect decision by that ICC board that in this chapter at least you are not getting any sorts of reduction. Now chapter number 3, water. That according to that reduced syllabus, here as per the previous syllabus it was there water as a universal solvent, and hydrated and anhydrous substances, drying and dehydrating agents. Under that also you are having, so far as the scope of syllabus is concerned, you are having more or less that the solutions as mixtures, hydrated substances, etc. But however, here you are getting some sort of benefit, means a sort of reduction is given so far as hard water and soft water is there. Previously it was there in your syllabus, but now it is cut off from your syllabus. So here you are getting some extent that the reduction as per that the reduced syllabus. Soft water and hard water is not there in your syllabus, and rest all the things are there in this chapter number 3, that is your water. Then if we will go to that fourth one, atomic structure and chemical bonding, which is definitely one interesting chapter and also easy chapter for you. So that is why here normally you are not getting any sorts of reduction. No, nothing is reduced here, and it should not be reduced also, because this actually whenever that the ICC or any sorts of board is deciding to cut off any sorts of lessons from that. So now in this case what happens, the charm, the glamour of that the particular subject may be disrupted, it may be disturbed. So that is why, keeping it in mind, ICC has not given in this case that the any sorts of reduction. In chapter number 4, that is atomic structure and chemical bonding, which is definitely one interesting chapter. Here you remember that in case of chemical bonding, representation of that chemical bonding, diagrammatical representation in case of the chemical bonding, that is only in case of the atomic orbit structure method, not about that electron dot structure. Electron dot structure that you will read in class 10. But however, here no reduction is declared, no reduction is given by the board. Now, if we will go to that fifth chapter, number 5, chapter number 5, that is your the periodic table. Periodic table indeed a very good chapter, and that too half of this chapter, some part of the chapter is their initial or primary preliminary idea about the periodic table is given in class 9, whereas the elaborate idea or that concrete idea about that periodic table is in class 10. So that is why probably ICC board has decided not to give any sorts of reduction in this chapter. So that is why you are not also getting any sorts of reduction in this chapter. Almost all the things are there. Now chapter number 6, which is study of the first element, that is hydrogen. So if periodic table will be there, means the preliminary idea about the periodic table will be there, definitely you should expect also that hydrogen, all the things should be there, and as usual, as just like the previous old syllabus, it is also there. Chapter number 7, after that hydrogen, in chapter number 7 we have chapter number 7, that is your, I think perhaps about your study of gas laws. This is a sort of numerical part. In case of chemistry, and here basically we deal with the different kinetic behavior of the gases, and laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, or the relationship between that pressure, volume, and the kinetic behavior, pressure, volume, and temperature, and the kinetic behavior thus related to it are given. So that is why in chapter number 7, that study of gas laws, also you are not getting any sorts of reduction. Whereas chapter number 8 previously, which was about atmospheric pollution, now it is completely, that chapter is cut off from your syllabus. It is no more there in the syllabus, it is reduced. So that is why in total, as per that the board declaration, that board has declared up to an extent of 20% reduction is given. So therefore, cancelling out this atmospheric pollution chapter number 8 and very few changes in case of that the chapter, all the rest of the previous chapters, that I don't think that it will be 20%, but however you have to be satisfied with that 20% reduction is given to you. So accordingly also you have to prepare. And last year, that you must have known that last year, means this year 2020, those who have appeared 9th class 9, they have appeared the board exam for the first time, and perhaps there may be the board exam in the year 2021 which you are going to face, and all these chapters will be there. Hope for the best that there may be some more reduction in future that will be declared by the board, but however this much reduction that you have got in class 9 chemistry syllabus. So only that chapter number 8 that is cut off, that is reduced from your, so that is why in total now 7 chapters that you have, and more or less there is some sort of reductions. So as I have analyzed that one before, so that much will be the reduction. So hope for the best. Thank you very much.